You open your phone, search a destination, find a price you like, and hit book. To the consumer, it is a seamless experience. But behind that screen, the travel industry is fighting a highly fragmented battle for visibility. Every search triggers a scramble where hotels and online travel agencies, or OTAs, fight in milliseconds to get their listing in front of you. This creates a chaotic environment where billions of price adjustments and availability updates fire across the globe every second. Managing that data requires specialized infrastructure. RateGain acts as the invisible plumbing for this ecosystem, supporting 26 of the top 30 global hotel chains and 25 of the top 30 OTAs. This raises a central question. How does a B2B software company monetize this invisible infrastructure? They focus on selling the AI-powered intelligence required to make those transactions function. Understanding their revenue model requires tracing the hidden financial triggers inside a single traveler's digital booking journey. The journey begins at the discovery phase, before you've even picked a hotel. As you browse, you leave digital intent signals that indicate where you might want to go. This is where RateGain's marketing technology, or MarTech, comes in. They sell digital marketing software that allows hotels to target you based specifically on that intent data. RateGain monetizes this phase twice. They charge clients a flat subscription fee for the software and take a percentage of the media ad spend used for the campaigns. Before you have even reached a booking page, RateGain has already generated revenue by brokering the digital introduction. Now you are on the hotel's page. The hotel needs to find the exact price that maximizes their profit without losing you to a competitor. They solve this using RateGain's Data as a Service, or DaaS. This DaaS aggregator processes 14 billion price points from 700 sources, feeding a central AI core that generates dynamic pricing recommendations. RateGain charges for this using a hybrid model, a base minimum subscription fee, combined with pay-per-use charges when clients pull additional data. By converting raw competitor noise into actionable pricing, RateGain secures recurring revenue while benefiting as a client's data needs grow. You finally click Buy. The moment that happens, the hotel must instantly update its room availability across the entire internet to prevent anyone else from booking that same room. RateGain's distribution platforms, RateGain and Dehisco, push this inventory data to over 400 OTAs and global distribution systems with zero downtime. For this service, the company uses a transaction model, taking a micro fee for every successful booking processed through the network. One booking journey triggers 3 distinct billing events for RateGain, pulling revenue from marketing, data analysis, and distribution simultaneously. This table from the FY25 report highlights the scale of this 3-part engine, showing over 10.7 billion rupees in operating revenue. Much of this is predictable, with 57.5% of that revenue coming from stable, recurring subscription and hybrid sources. This investment memo explains that RateGain identifies AI as its core differentiator rather than just a feature. Because they touch intent, pricing, and distribution, they collect massive first-party data, creating a powerful data flywheel. As clients feed the system more data, the AI becomes more accurate than competitors who only see one part of the journey. This higher accuracy leads to better pricing and ad targeting, which attracts more enterprise clients, restarting the cycle. RateGain's ultimate business model is built on a self-reinforcing loop of global travel intelligence that becomes more effective with every transaction it processes.